Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we shall learn about switch case in C language. What is a switch case? Let us see the definition. A switch statement in C language is a multi-way branch statement that can check conditions from a predefined set. The condition that matches with the case is executed. And if none of the condition is matched, then we have a default case and the default case is run in that case. We shall see this with the help of flowchart. Look, in this flowchart, we have a switch statement above. This switch statement works as a multi-way switch and it is given with a set of cases. These are the predefined conditions. And if the switch is given input with 1, then this case 1 is matched and the statement 1 will run. If it matches with case 2, then this case 2 will run and so on. If none of the cases are matched, then this default statement will run and the rest of the code is executed. It may feel a little ambiguous if you see the flowchart and read the theory, but when we see the compiler, it will be much easier. Now we shall make a program of a simple calculator using switch case. So now let's see the compiler. Here is our program that creates a simple calculator using switch case. First I shall run the program and show you the output, how it works. Then I shall explain. Run the program. It says enter two operands. We input 50 and 50. Now I am given a set of options that 1 is addition, 2 to subtraction, 3 to multiplication and 4 to division. We input 2 and hit enter. It says 50.00 minus 50.00 equals to 0.00. It is given float variables, so these 00s are coming. Now I shall see how this code works. In the code you can see I have used stdio.h, conio.h and stdlib I have used. Stdlib is not required, so we can off this. Well, now what we have done, we have written void main and declared three variables, float a, b and result. A and b are the operands and result is the variable where our addition, subtraction, etc. results are stored. And we have another integer variable, that is choice. Using this choice variable, we shall run the switch case. Now we have prompted enter two operands and taken input of a and b. And the set of options I was given is printed over here. You can see 1 is for addition, 2 is for subtraction and this /n is for new line. Now we have said enter your choice and the user will give choice of 1, 2, 3 or 4 and this choice variable is taken input. Now we run the switch case. Switch and given the choice variable within. So if the choice variable is 1, then this case 1 will run. If the choice variable is 2, then this case 2 will run and so on. And if the user mistakenly inputs some variable or some value that is not in the predefined set, say user inputs 5 or 7, then this default case will run and it will print wrong choice. Let me show you that. Run. I input 10 and 90. Now I have given an option of 1, 2, 3, 4, but mistakenly I have input 7. Now it will say wrong choice and terminate the program. So this is a simple program of switch case. Hope you understand. See you in next video.